up in the morning with this beautiful view in our porch. It seems like in grand vacation every morning, yeah, baby? Every day, we are in the grand vacation. Extravagant. Look at this view in the porch. This is our new place here in Bahrain. Oh my gosh, my husband found the best place.
Private beach.
Every day.
Private beach.
Yes, we have private island. We're living big here in Bahrain. We are living big. Living our best life here in Bahrain. At this is my view every seconds. This is in the first floor of the house because we live in the third and fourth, and that's our fourth over there. That's also the terrace on the fourth floor, and this is third floor. At least it's not so high because in Regent Tower, it was Regent Tower over there. Oh, we are way back here. Yeah, we are in different place now. We are in Amwaj. Before we live in Jufair. Now we are here in Amwaj, near in Dragon City. This is a beautiful place. Every day, this is my view to look at.
That's the beach.
Yeah, you love it? That's the private beach that you have. And also there is a private swimming pool. Neo, you're living your best life with Daddy. You're living your best life, Neo. Dang. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Seems like I'm in vacation every day. See the dates around this small island. And I see last night there is a couple. They swim in the middle of it. See, it's also lots of apartment. Yeah. And we live here in Tilal Island. Tilal. Marina Bay. Go inside, sweetie. It's so dark. It's so hot. Today temperature maybe more than hundreds. Yeah. It's so hot. I wish I will finish right away the house in Philippines so I can stay here with my hubby dubby pabibi love. Because this is nice. Neo, you love it? You love it? You love it, Neo?
My favorite house is
This-
that one right there. One house.
Yeah, look
I
at
drove
that
over
house.
there. I drove over there. I saw
Look
the big
at that.
house. From the front, it looked like it's small.
Look at that.
That's the swimming pool to the right. A whole big backyard. It's 3 stories.
Dang. See, Neo, you can ride your bike in
Yeah,
that.
he can ride his bike down, and it go all the way around the thing. It's long too.
Oh, we have neighbor. Hello.
Hello.
We have the neighbor there.
Yeah, she's a
Yeah, I know. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Yeah. See, they have boat, jet ski. Yeah. This is nice. And this is the house inside.
Well, you can be cleaning there.
Dang. My baby love. My pabibi is the one who decorate the house. Look at that. See, he bought. This is for the apartment or you bought it? This is beautiful, like a cherry blossom flower. And this is the plant. I really love this. See? My pabibi love decorate all of this. Look at all of this decoration. You bought all of this, babe?
Yep.
Dang. They are cute.
It's a few that I didn't buy.
They are very cute. And this is the gift from the Mrs. Who?
Arlene.
Huh?
Arlene.
Miss Arlene in US. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much. So this is me and this is him. It's so cute. Bahrain flag. I love it. And now Neo really changed. He don't push anything anymore, and that's me. Oh. One day millionaire before. One day millionaire. Oh my gosh, my baby love have this. What is
This
that,
is the
Daddy?
internet. This is a whole nother mess system with 3 pieces.
Oh.
Internet, same thing that you have at the house now.
Mhm.
This is three. I was thinking about taking it to the Philippines and using this right here. It's
Okay.
got 3 of them. But I have the other one in the bag.
I love this. This is cute. Oh, the horse. Oh my gosh, he really need a lot of decoration
So for this,
because of these little shelves here. It
Mom,
really.
God,
Yes,
this goes.
you love it to scooter inside the house. You're living your best life with Daddy. Another side of living room. It's like 1, 2, 3 upstairs, 3 living room, 2 downstairs and 1 upstairs. Oh my gosh, this is my view every day. When I wake up in the morning and when I go to bed in the morning, I will take video, the night view tonight. Yes, Daddy? Nice. And I love this. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. That's the upstairs.